need a microfiber cloth.
I have it. अभी जी ड्राइवर कंपार्टमेंट क्यूबिकल में ये है क्या माइक्रोफाइबर.
See, you can see this bulb is completely gone now. So it's also cracked here. Is it? Twist and this one is a straight pull. This one is also twist. Now the replacement tail lamp comes with a wiring harness, but we'll not touch this because its grommet is here. We'll have to pull out the grommet from the stock harness. We'll not do that. What we'll do is we'll simply replace these out of this we'll have to use this stop light and tail light bulb. No.
Not able to see it. That I can see. Okay.
Once that's done, just
full light कानिकी.
see, ensure that this goes into the slot here. There's a slot here, so that's it. Go try turning everything on, your hazards, reverse. Yeah. Press, push the brake. Yeah. Hazards. Yeah. Reverse. You don't have to start the engine. Just press the clutch and put the reverse. Yeah. That's it. Working. Put it back to neutral. Chalo. So that completes this simple tail lamp replacement.